Hey there everyone, welcome back to my channel, your go-to place for learning how to thrive on dialysis. Now today, we're going to be learning how to whip up one of my favorite ways to get some extra protein in your diet that's full of vibrant colors and protein goodness, a berry protein shake. So let's get right into it. Hey there guys, welcome back to another episode of Dialysis Warrior. I'm Colin, your host, and a dialysis patient of about 4 years. Now this channel is for you if you're either a dialysis patient taking care of someone who is interested in learning about kidney failure, or in the pre-stages before dialysis and are wanting to learn more. So, as I promised, we're going to be making a berry protein shake today. Now this is more for dialysis patients than pre-dialysis, because pre-dialysis you don't want as much protein. This is pretty high in protein. Anyways, before we get into it, let's go over why this is actually good for dialysis patients. First, it's super simple. It's just a handful of ingredients, a blender, and you're good to go. Second, it's packed with antioxidants from the berries, which is really good for dialysis patients. Plus high quality protein, we need that, and it can really help you meet your daily requirements, especially important for those of us on dialysis. Third, it's lower in potassium, making it really good for us dialysis patients. Though you should always talk with your healthcare team, especially if you have specific potassium or fluid restrictions. Let's get right into the ingredients. First, you're going to need your blender. This is a Fruit Ninja that I got off of Amazon. It's really great. I love this thing. The cup comes with measurements, including the 8 ounces that I need for my milk. You're going to need Nature's Promise vanilla unsweetened almond milk. You're going to need some frozen blueberries, some frozen raspberries, your protein powder. Now I use double rich chocolate, but I always take my binders. I would suggest using vanilla. I only use chocolate once in a while. Today we're going to use chocolate. Your blue agave nectar, and a half a cup measuring cup. And don't forget your binders. So we're going to start by putting 8 ounces of almond milk into our blender. And as I said, it has the 8 ounce mark on it right there for me, so that's perfect. Then we're going to add our frozen blueberries. Just a half a cup is perfect. Close them up. We're going to do the same with the frozen raspberries. Half a cup. Good. Now we're going to add 1 scoop of my protein powder. That's what the serving size is. Now this protein powder has 24 grams of protein per serving. It only has 4% potassium, which is only 200 milligrams, and 0.7 milligrams of iron, which is another 4%, and 130 milligrams of calcium. It only has 3 grams of carbohydrates, 130 milligrams of sodium, and 1.5 grams of fat. So this is a nice low fat protein shake. And then we're gonna add a little shot of blue agave nectar. Now, if you're diabetic, you should skip the blue agave nectar. Now we're going to blend. Make sure to take your binders with your first sip. Look at that color there. And it's so tasty. Tastes like a berry smoothie. You really can't beat this. I really love this drink. It's such a sweet treat, especially after a workout or even on a hot day. This is such a sweet treat. Keeps you cool. It's full of protein and antioxidants. It's super healthy. So try one out for yourself. Remember, everyone's nutrition needs are different. Always follow your healthcare team's advice about fluid intake and portion sizes. If you need to watch potassium levels closely, consider working with your dietitian to confirm the right amount of blueberries or substitute in a lower potassium fruit. This shake is meant to complement a dialysis-friendly meal plan and provide a boost of protein, which is essentially important for us. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this berry protein shake, give this video a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you never miss a kidney-friendly recipe. Until next time, take care of yourselves. I'll see you in the next video.